My name is Terletskyy. I'm a music composer, and I had a chance to work with Lehenda and Melania on this fabulous show called Kyiv. I'm from Lviv, from Ukraine. That's why Melania wanted me to compose the music, because I'm Ukrainian, I'm native Ukrainian, I live here, and as Melania said, that I feel this land, I feel this like homeland, I feel Ukraine because I know it from the inside. The meaning on the Maidan of this song was that it was a song for a funeral of the heroes that died on the Maidan. For now, we understand that they died from the bullets of Russians agents that were killing them there. Then it was just a song that people sung when they carry these coffins with bodies of dead heroes, and they sung this Plevekacha. And the main thing was to compose the track that will be based on the Plevekacha, but that this track had to be composed and played on this scene had to be composed like waves of history that are going through our history of Ukraine, because Maidan, it was not for the first time for Ukraine. We had a First World War, we had Holodomor, we had a lot of tragedies that were made by Soviet Union and Russians. For now, we have war, and for now this song is actual again, because for now we have, unfortunately, we have a lot of now funerals of heroes that are dying